Oh my god. Who let her come out the house looking like that? Uh-uh. She is doing the most. The most. OMG. What does she got on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong because she ratchet. About to take this for a picture because she ratchet got it. About to put this girl on Twitter because she ratchet. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. See you ratchet. Boy, bye. Knock them shoes on. Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she two-faced. Girl, let me tell you what I got. My Mr. Girl with a baby boy, and it came with a sister. Yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club and be no shoe whistle. That head look cute. Rip my jeans, no boot. Yesterday, girl, you gonna be fit up. Move, try to get out my way. Good, new piercing, brand new cut. $95 for this hair plus tax bout. Been think of what I smack the song. You can't come out. You did not am where you thinking wrong. My my number, boy, bye. Be quiet. Hey, girl, you good? How do I message you? Okay. We gonna see you later. OMG, what do she got on? She Richie. Her lace front is all wrong. Picture cause she Richie got it. About to put this girl on Twitter cause she Richie. I ain't got time for this. See, I'm too grown for you Richie. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too faced. But my friends call me Kari, Party, baddest you had us boo boo sorry, you just baby daddy, Kari, and so you just well and rap on yeah, my Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm Team Chris Brown. Team Chris Brown, 'cause you don't shut it up, then you just shut it down. Yeah, Team Nation, yeah, yeah, Team He Paying, yeah, and so spend it all on me because you ain't even doing nothing. I mean, just spend it all on me because you ain't even doing nothing. So, because you sitting up here acting wrenchy. OMG, what does she got on? She wrenchy. Her lace front is all wrong. Guess what? I'm about to take this up a picture because she wrenchy got it. About to put this girl on Twitter because she wrenchy. I ain't got time for this. See, too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. She wrenchy. Oh, I just want to punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she too faced. Good leopard skin. Girl, you look up jungle with the leopard skin. Girl, you looking like a jungle. Don't try. You looking like a jungle. Yeah, I said it. You ranchy. You ain't gonna do nothing. What is you gonna do?